Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for watching my videos. This video is in a series of videos where we are talking about the offshore industry and the technologies used in the offshore industries. This video we are going to specifically talk about something called the dynamic positioning system. This video is the third video in the series of the video where we are covering the offshore industry, and hence if you have not watched the first and second video, I will link it in the description, and please do ensure and watch those videos as well. Thank you so much for the support, and let's jump into the video. Dynamic positioning system, an overview. Basically, the dynamic positioning system looks like this. This is basically a computer which is placed on board the offshore vessels to ensure the vessel maintains a specific position at sea. You know, there are many forces acting on the ship while the ship is at sea. For example, it can be the wind, it can be the tides, and many other factors. So, it is very important for the vessels involved in the offshore installation to have precise position, because there might be lot of subsea cables, pipelines, etc. For example, if we take this slide, shows a sample of how a dynamic positioning system looks like. It is basically a computer. It has inputs from the weather, the wind, and the tides, and also the GPS positioning and the positions of the thrusters, that is the engines of the vessel. So what this computer does is basically takes all the input and ensures the position of the vessel is maintained exactly using the vessel's engines or the thrust. The third diagram, you can see there are many thrusters, that is there are 6 propellers kind of a structure below the vessel, which are thrusters which can rotate in 360 degrees. These thrusters ensure the vessel maintains the position. Why the vessel has to maintain? The offshore industry requires very precise positioning of the infrastructure to ensure maximum extraction of the fossil fuel. In the previous slides or the previous videos, we have seen that there is a survey done for finding out the positions and locations of the presence of fossil fuels below the seabed. Hence, it becomes very imperative that the vessels or the infrastructure is built exactly on top of this location so that the maximum extraction is possible. Hence, maintaining the position of the vessels or the infrastructure is very, very important in case of the offshore industry. And this DP positioning system helps to maintain the position of the vessels. Dynamic positioning is a computer controlled system to automatically maintain a vessel's position. Various sensors provide details of vessel position, wind and tide direction, speed, etc. So there are a lot of sensors which gives the input to this equipment. The computer then calculates the thrust required to maintain the position of the vessel steady at the required location. So this computer then calculates the amount of thrust or amount of propeller it has to run to ensure the vessel is maintaining the same position which is given to it. DP systems are classified into DP1, DP2 and DP3, which works according to their advanced technological features designed to work accordingly. DP3 is supposed to be the most advanced, and DP1 is supposed to be the least advanced of the 3 systems. So if you have a DP1 or DP2 or DP3, those vessels are very, very advanced, and the DP3 vessel will be much more advanced than a DP1 vessel. That completes a small video on what is the DP system on board an offshore vessel. I have been very, very brief, which is only required for the non-seafarers to understand what the dynamic positioning is all about. I hope the video has given you a fair idea on what is a DP and how is it operated and what is its usefulness in the offshore industry. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I will see you in the next one. Till then, be safe, take care, bye-bye.